Disney this day. I'm Egon Bonkers, and on this day in 1989, a reproduction of the Liberty Bell was placed into its permanent spot inside Liberty Square at the Magic Kingdom at Walt Disney World. The replica was produced by the Paccard Bell Foundry in Annecy, France. The 300th copy that was made, it replaced a borrowed Liberty Bell that had been on display between September 1987 and June 1989. Walt Disney World's Liberty Bell is the most visited Liberty Bell in the world by at least 10 times, and it's been there for 35 years. Pretty cool, huh? Have you seen it? I'd like to go see it today. Anyway, have a magical day.